Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to reinstall keyboard driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to uninstall your keyboard driver on any Windows PC, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here device manager. You will find here device manager, click on this. In this list, you will find keyboard. You have to double click and expand it. Under this, you will find standard PS2 keyboard. What you have to do, you have to just right click on that. If you want to update the driver, you can update driver from here. Then click on search automatically for the drivers. You have to make sure you are connected to the internet before clicking this option. Suppose if this update doesn't work, you have to right click on this standard PS2 keyboard, then click on uninstall device. After uninstalling device, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, your fresh keyboard driver will be installed. That's it guys. So in this way you can reinstall keyboard driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.